Thought I'd show you guys this and how this sometimes comes up so slow, right? This one here is snapping right back nicely. I added this right here. Little bungee cord, hooked it around right there, just knotted a washer, hooked it over that, drilled a hole through here, put a plastic spacer so it didn't cut. Plastic spacer so it didn't cut. Just tied a knot on the back end with a washer. And then there we go. That'll go nicely behind the plastic cover, not getting away. Super cool. So my kayak's the Hobie PA 14 360 model. I did hook the deployment rope up to my kickstand since I never use it. As you can see, pops up really well. No problems. What I used is this quarter inch bungee here. Then that plastic spacer I had through the aluminum on the trolling motor mount was just this plastic tube. I think it's for a reverse osmosis lines or something like that. Anyway, works really well. Super pleased.